The function d of h equals 1.2 square roots of h can be used to approximate the distance d in miles that a person can see to the horizon from a height h in feet. How far above sea level must a pilot fly in order to see a horizon that is 180 miles away? As you can see in the diagram, we have a part of the Earth, and we're showing a plane up at a height of h, and then a visual down distance, which we're labeling as d, to the horizon. And so I've recreated that sketch on the board. We have the plane, the height h, the distance d. Our equation d of h equals 1.2 times the square root of h, and we're told that d is 180 miles. So we want to substitute the d of h with 180 and then solve for h. So we have 180 equals 1.2 times the square root of h. Dividing both sides by 1.2 will give us 150 equals the square root of h. Squaring both sides, 150 squared equals the square root of h squared. On the left-hand side, of course, we'll have 22,500, and on the right-hand side, the square root of h squared is h. So h, which is the distance for the height, is in feet, 22,500 feet. So the pilot must fly to a height of 22,500 feet.